In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Canva email template into Kit. To get started, open Kit and make sure you are in the main dashboard for your account. We are going to create a brand new email template so you can reuse the Canva design anytime you want. First, go to the Send area in Kit. From there, click on Email Templates. This is where Kit stores all of the layouts you can apply to broadcasts or sequences. Once you are on the Email Templates page, click New Email Template. Creating a new template is important because it keeps your Canva design separate and easy to select later. Next, you will be asked to choose a template type. Select Custom HTML. This option is what allows you to bring in the code you exported from Canva, instead of being limited to the built-in template editor. When you choose Custom HTML, you will see a space where you can add your own markup. Now, paste in the code that you exported from Canva. Before you paste, it helps to copy the entire export so you do not miss any sections, especially the parts that control spacing and image placement. After you paste the code into Kit, take a moment to scroll through it and confirm it appears complete. If anything looks cut off, go back and copy the full export again, then replace what you pasted. At this point, there is one key adjustment you need to make. Replace any image placeholders in the Canva code with Kit image URLs. This matters because email templates need publicly accessible image links to display correctly in inboxes. In practice, you will find each image reference in the HTML and swap it so the image source points to the correct URL provided by Kit. Work through the template carefully, one image at a time, so nothing is missed. A good tip is to keep the HTML editor open while you reference the images, so you can confirm each replacement is applied in the right spot. Once your code is pasted and your images are updated to Kit image URLs, your Canva email template is integrated and ready to use in Kit. That covers everything you need to know.